Hello, scientists. In this video, we are going to be exploring the ideas of energy and matter. So, we touched on matter in our last unit, and as we explore heat transfer and thermodynamics, we are going to bring in the idea of energy to explain the effects it has on matter. So, just a reminder that energy and matter is what we call a cross cutting concept. And we have seven of these. And a cross cutting concept is a lot like an Instagram filter in that it brings focus to or highlights a specific aspect of a scientific phenomena. So, in this unit, we will be using energy and matter to explore the ideas behind our penguin phenomena. So, first up, we have matter. So, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. And you'll remember in our last unit, we learned about matter in three states as solids, liquids, and gases. And we also mentioned that there is a fourth state of matter called plasma, but we will not be learning about it this year. The new concept we are bringing in is energy. So, energy is the ability to make matter change and to make matter move. And scientists call these changes to matter work. So, the important thing to know here is that there are many different types of energy, and a few of the most common that we'll be discussing are mechanical, electrical, light, thermal, sound. And really, we're going to be focusing on thermal energy in this unit. So, these are all forms of energy, but they are not matter. So, energy and matter are not the same thing. These forms of energy all have an effect on matter, but because they are not made of particles, they do not have mass, and they do not take up space, they are not actually matter. So, even though energy and matter are different things, they do have two important things in common. And the first is that they are conserved. What this means is that neither energy or matter can be created or destroyed. And when we have a finite amount of something that can't change, we call that conservation, and we say that matter and energy are conserved. However, we've already learned that matter will not stay the same all the time. So, by adding or removing energy from matter, we can change its state, and that's what we call a transformation. Energy and matter can both transition and transform to different types. An example that you guys are probably pretty familiar with is when your parents put gasoline in their car. The chemical energy that is stored in the gasoline is converted to mechanical energy when the car is in motion. So, we are going to take a closer look at two more examples. So, if we add thermal energy or heat to liquid water, it transforms into gaseous steam. But as we learned in our last unit, we still have the same total amount of matter, even though we've used energy to change it. Another example is the chemical energy that is stored in your food or the solid matter that you eat can be converted into mechanical energy or the movement by your body as it is digested. So, in summary, matter and energy have two very important things in common, and that is that they are both always conserved, meaning they cannot be created or destroyed, and they can be transformed into different states. However, matter is solid liquids or gases that have mass, take up space, and are made of particles, while examples of energy are light, heat, sound, or gravity. And energy does not have mass and does not take up space, but it does cause changes to the matter around us. And we will be exploring these ideas in more depth as we continue with our thermodynamics unit.